So today I'm going to make a classic potato sandwich. That's right, I never met a potato I didn't like, and my wife grew these, and they're gorgeous, and we have to consume these potatoes because they're just too good to just look at. So we're going to make a classic potato sandwich today. Okay, we slice all those gorgeous potatoes into chips like this, and next we get ready to fry them up in the frying pan for that potato sandwich. Next we put a little pepper and salt, butter on the pan, and we are getting closer to that potato sandwich. And there they are, the classic potato sandwiches. Absolutely fantastic, ready to go. I'm telling you, if you're a fan of the potato, you'll be a fan of the potato sandwich. Delicious.